This album is dedicated to all the people who told me I'll never amount to anything in my life. And to all the people who said I stunk in the movie when I was just acting, trying to make some money to feed my daughter. I know my Schwarzenegger's in the struggle. It's all good. Hasta la vista, baby. It was all a dream. I used to read Weightlifter magazine, Van Damme and Jackie Chan in the limousine, hanging weights on my wall every day. 6-pack was 6 feet tall. I let my muscles rock till my muscles pop. Smoking weed, spitting grease, pumping that iron hard. Way back when my hair was flat and stacked, with the size to match. Remember Running Man? And I never thought that I could take it this far. Now I'm in the limelight cause I wear ties. Time to get paid, blow up like end of days. One thinner, opposite of a winner. To build muscles, eat sardines for dinner. Used to Terminator 1, 2 and 3. Collateral damage and of course red meat. I'm blowing baddies like you thought I would. Call the crib, same number, same hood. It's all good. And if you don't know, now you know. Schwarzenegger.